Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you about the paper Robinage. It was recommended to get by my teacher, so let's open it. The paper looks colorful and it has 20 plus pages, and if you want to buy it you can visit robinaid.com. I am also going to leave a link in my description. Oh, it's the 14th anniversary of this paper. There is some quick news about India. There is also news about space science. The RBSA special winners have been announced in the paper. Let's open the paper. There is a QR code on this newspaper. I am going to put that at the end of the video. The publisher of this newspaper is Raj Singh Arora. He has been publishing this newspaper from 14 years. Now there are some quick news. Rock paintings have revealed ancient giants. 4,000-year-old tombs have been discovered. There is a wooden self-powered treadmill. There is a news on oil prices rising and news bulletin. There is some good news. Mega moon rocket has been rolled out by NASA, breaking down plastic. Now this I think is about how plastic affects our earth. This is a magical news, a fabric that's here. Now, Great Barrier Reef suffers severe coral bleaching. Oh, there are some RBSA special. The first award is given to Kashika Ved, Class 2, Arifai School, Mandasur, Madhya Pradesh. Oh, there's Spider-Man on this page. He is one of my favorite superheroes. The first award is given to Aditya KK, Class 8, New Horizon, Gurukul, Bangalore. The first award on this page is given to Mishka Gupta, Class 10, Heritage Experiential Learning School, Gurgaon. Now, here is an article sent by Anahat, Class 2, Phnomont World School, Bangalore. Now, here are some articles of when my school ends. COVID 2020 tough times. Now, that really was a tough time for us. Here are some more articles. I think that I am going to read these articles for the whole week. Oh, what's this? I think that it's an activity sheet. Let's see. There is a quiz based on this picture, Math Magic, and there is a puzzle page. Now here are some facts about snails. But snails are so small and they have so many facts. Now I am going to be doing these activities. Protein packed puris. Here are some maths questions. Now there is birthday celebrations, word scramble, flying beasts. There's 26 types of airplanes. Okay. There is a coloring activity. There is spider, ostrich, and a Earth Day poster. Now this is a drawing And the first prize goes to Anya Ibrahim, Class 9, KC High International School, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Now this is it for this video. Thank you. This was my quick review about this paper Robinagae, and I think that everyone of my age should get it. It has lots of articles in it and quizzes that we can participate in. And as I said, the link of this paper is down in the description. Until next time, thank you.